you have to see this. Her name's Marina Abramovic. In the 90s, she and her boyfriend did this piece called Confrontation.
Confrontation. Confrontation.
This piece called Confrontation. Her name's Marina Abramovic. In the 90s, she and her boyfriend did this piece called Confrontation, where they just slapped each other's faces for days.
Oh, yeah?
Slap. Slap.
Where they just slapped each other's faces for days.
Oh, yeah? Dude, but they called it Who Smoked the Last Cigarette.
No, really, it was pure art.
Pure. Pure.
No, really, it was pure art.
That's for suggesting we make a lip sync video.
Lip. Lip.
That's for suggesting we make a lip sync video.
My mother in Korea is working my last nerve. You know her?
Well, I didn't expect a back and forth here.
Fourth. Fourth.
Well, I didn't expect a back and forth here.
Hi, can I help you? Ooh, that sounded so sincere. Well, when you're in my section, you'll meet the real me.
Section. Section.
Well, when you're in my section, you'll meet the real me.
With the contents of their purse, and if you do, nobody gets hurt.
Okay. But, I don't know how much you're gonna collect here.
Collect. Collect.
Okay, but, I don't know how much you're gonna collect here.
And if you do, nobody gets hurt.
Okay, but, I don't know how much you're gonna collect here. I mean, most of these customers pay with coins
Coin. Coin.
here. I mean, most of these customers pay with coins. Okay, but, I don't know how much you're gonna collect here. I mean, most of these customers pay with coins or fresh tomatoes from their garden.
Tomato. Tomato.
Coins or fresh tomatoes from their garden. Okay, Caroline, I'm gonna tell you something and I don't want you to react.
React. React.
I don't want you to react. Are you having a heart attack?
Attack. Attack.
Are you having a heart attack?
Would it be possible if I took my prayer beads out? They've been in my family for hundreds and hundreds of...
Hundred. Hundred.
They've been in my family for hundreds and hundreds of...
Yeah, I did not see a gun coming. Saw nunchucks, ninja smoke, maybe some hair pulling, but not a gun.
Gun. Gun.
Maybe some hair pulling, but not a gun. Oh, that's hilarious! Yeah, you might need some counseling.
Counseling. Counseling.
Yeah, you might need some counseling. Oh, that's hilarious! Yeah, you might need some counseling. I could drop you off at a therapist on the way to...
Therapist. Therapist.
I could drop you off at a therapist on the way to...
Oh, look, someone left a coupon for free movie popcorn. Oh, I'd love to escape to a movie after my... Well, I just love to escape.
Escape. Escape.
Oh, I just love to escape.
Who used me as a human shield and then peed herself.
Do not tell Chestnut I peed myself. He's the only one from my circle who still talks to me.
Circle. Circle.
He's the only one from my circle who still talks to me. I mean, weren't you shot as a baby? I feel like you told me that.
No, I told you I drank shots as a baby.
Shot. Shot.
No, I told you I drank shots as a baby.
Maybe something with a fanning in it?
I'll see anything. Unless it's in 3D.
Unless. Unless.
Unless it's in 3D. Make an excuse and then boldly walk with purpose.
Okay, well, just show me how. You can direct me. I've done a lot of plays.
Direct. Direct.
You can direct me. I've done a lot of plays.
Caroline, oh, what a nice outfit. On a scale of 1 to 10, you're an 8.
Scale. Scale.
On a scale of 1 to 10, you're an 8.
Cool name, by the way. How are you doing today, hallelujah?
Bitter.
Bitter. Bitter.
Bitter. Oh, so now you just know everything about life.
Come on. The opening scene sets up.
Scene. Scene.
Come on. The opening scene sets up.
You made the right choice.
Choice. Choice.
You made the right choice. And he's either been wronged or bitten or exposed to something toxic that gives him superpowers. He's in love with a pretty girl whose rival tries to kill.
Rival. Rival.
He's in love with a pretty girl whose rival tries to kill. Weird, because when he grows up, he has black hair. There's some sort of chemical spill.
Spill. Spill.
There's some sort of chemical spill. Oh, wow, look at that. That car just exploded in front of those two girls.
Explode. Explode.
That car just exploded in front of those two girls.
It's violence against women. Let's go see that Katherine Heigl rom-com sequel.
Talk about violence against women.
Violence. Violence.
Talk about violence against women.
Why is he going to the bathroom with that stranger?
Is Han also a Republican senator?
Senator. Senator.
Is Han also a Republican senator?
And he's not on the changing table. So maybe drugs are involved.
Involve. Involve.
So maybe drugs are involved.
Okay. I cannot find it. Them.
Damn. Damn.
Them.
Well. Look who it is. Hair flip and go.
Flip. Flip.
Hair flip and go.
I don't know what you're doing, but it feels weird.
Now look who's walking with purpose.
Purpose. Purpose.
Now look who's walking with purpose.
An unobstructed view of my sweet, sweet ass?
No, the satisfaction of knowing.
Satisfaction. Satisfaction.
No, the satisfaction of knowing.
What? I thought you were behind me. And besides, we couldn't both get caught. Who would live to tell the tale of the great Caroline Channing?
Tail. Tail.
Who would live to tell the tale of the great Caroline Channing?
Wow. So this is who we are, huh? Two selfish girls who always put ourselves before everyone else and are willing to do
Willing. Willing.
ourselves before everyone else and are willing to do. Two selfish girls who always put ourselves before everyone else and are willing to do anything to survive.
Survive. Survive.
To do anything to survive.
Man, we're gonna crush the cupcake competition.
But Max, even though we're ruthless, every now and then on our own behalf,
behalf, behalf,
every now and then on our own behalf,
I just have one question that I have to ask you. What is your favorite musical?
musical, musical,
What is your favorite musical?
That's true. I did.
By the way, hon, why were you at the movies in the middle of the day?
Sometimes people bug me and I need some time away.
bug, bug,
Sometimes people bug me and I need some time away.